guys, so today we are doing a rice farming experience here in Luang Prabang in Laos with Backstreet Academy. So we're just on our way there now. Just been a quiet morning at the hotel, we've just been relaxing, trying to figure out what exactly we're going to do with the rest of our travels. No plans as of yet, but yeah, let's get on the way. Yeah, at the moment we're in an electrical tuk-tuk and I've never been on one of these before. It's so cool. So we've made it now. I think we're just waiting for some more people to join us. But check out how cool it is out here. So that drive only probably took, yeah, probably about 15-20 minutes, and now we're in like the complete countryside. And we're just off the main road as well.
So first, I put fresh egg in the fresh water. You can see?
Yeah.
It's sitting in the bottom.
Yeah.
Then we have to add the salt. Last year we planted rice here. After the crop, like 4 months, harvest, collect all the rice. We keep the rest of the straw here, you can see there. And we keep the paddy 2 months. After
Go on.
Hoi? Yes. Hear him. Hoi. Hoi. Louder. Push down. Push down. Pull it up. Pull the bottom up and you push down. Yes. That's good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Rice Farmer James.
Hoi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hoi. Wow, you do a very good job there.
Go James. Very good.
But this only the half. When you plant one seed and then they grow up, they will give you many like that. Yeah.
It's a bit hot here under the hat, sweating, but really interesting. James is really enjoying it as well. So we've
I got the plough with a buffalo.
ploughed with the buffalo, planted the rice, and now we're learning about the different ages and harvesting the rice.
They're ready. And to harvest it, we use a sickle. It's very sharp and quite dangerous.
Okay.
When you harvest, you have to be careful. I'll show you first how to harvest. You have to hold like this together. When you cut, not cut to crush your finger.
Ooh.
And not pull too strong, you cut your leg. Not pull like this, you cut your friend. See? About this high. You turn it down and then you pull. So you have to keep harvest.
Somebody.
And the bamboo, see they are like that. Oh my God.
So we're just heading out now. We're going to go out for an early dinner. It's about 5 o'clock now. Problem is James has not eaten all day, except from a little bit of rice. At the rice farming, he's saying he doesn't feel good. Well, the answer's obvious, because he hasn't eaten or drunken anything. So we're going to head out now, think, not sure what we're going to have yet. But yeah, the rice farming was actually like really cool. James really enjoyed it. And it was something really different to do than what you usually do, like the touristy sites around, especially Luang Prabang. Something different from the waterfalls and the night markets. So yeah, definitely recommend checking that one out. We had that all booked through Backstreet Academy. I'll link them below if you're keen to check them out. And yeah, let's head off to dinner. Would you get it again?
Well-deserved pizza.
That was a well-deserved pizza after a busy day rice farming. And James on the buffalo, well, leading the buffalo. But yeah, we're just walking back now. Got a couple bottles of water from the supermarket at the corner. And it looks
Cheeky chocolate bar.
a cheeky chocolate bar. It looks like it might be heading down to sunset soon. I don't think we don't have any other plans tonight, do we? No other plans tonight. So it's gonna chill out, have a bit of a relax. We've got nothing planned tomorrow, so we might go and visit a few of the temples. We're gonna get up for sunrise?
Yeah.
Try get up for sunrise. Well, since we don't plan on doing anything else for the rest of the night, I am going to sign off here. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video where we did rice farming here in Luang Prabang in Laos. It's a good day actually. And James is now a professional rice farmer. But anyway, yeah. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, that would be cool. Any questions, let me know below in the comments. And we'll see you tomorrow in the next one.